What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Right now it's currently 5:30 a.m. I usually used to wake up at 5:30, but then it's been getting cold, so I started waking up at 6. And then today I woke up this early because I went to bed at like 9:30 last night. I was just super tired. I did one Amazon shift yesterday. So today I have another Amazon shift around 8 a.m. And so I've been training for a while and I've been losing. So currently, right now, I have stopped to take a break from trading, but I'm still looking at the charts. I'm still studying. I'm still learning. I'm still trying to figure it out. So I'm gonna show you guys my cheat sheet. So every day I've been studying market movements. It's a uptrend because just sometimes I just like when I'm on the charts, I just kind of forget what's going on. So I kind of have this right here on the side, so I just like remember everything. So yeah, this is an uptrend. It's a sideways market. Yeah, so this is our ranging market, and then breakout right here. So I really just been studying. I look at this. I try to look at this every day, just to like ingrain it in my brain. This is a downtrend, makes lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. So this is a bullish trend. So I just try to look at this every day, so that way when I go on the markets, I'm able to see what's going on. This is a bullish trend, sideways market, and a bearish trend. So there's only three things the market will do, which is either trend up, range, or have a bearish trend. And then this is a false breakout. I've been looking at the false breakouts because a lot of times when I used to trade breakouts, I would like there's a lot of fake breakouts, so that's why I had to screenshot this and save it and try to study it every day. Also, another false breakout picture. Yeah, so I've just been trying to study this every day. Especially this one right here. So it shows you when to enter and where you should take profits. That's like a flag right there, bear flag, descending triangle. Yeah, just a few patterns I've been studying. Continuation patterns. So right now I'm still trying to figure out what I like to trade, like my trading strategy. I'm still trying to figure that out. I'm just kind of like everywhere, but I'm mostly looking for like continuation patterns, like these right here. Especially the bearish ones, because I just like seeing when the market is red. I like seeing that for some reason. I have no idea why. And in the bullish, when the market is bullish, like I'm horrible at trading when the market is bullish. So that's probably why I've been losing recently. So this is a fake out and a real breakout. So really just been studying consolidation phase, and then I read this every day. Yeah, so that's my cheat sheet right here. Bullish flag, bearish flag. These are the patterns that I'm like looking to trade. The bearish flag and bullish flag. Yeah, so those are the things that I'm studying. Alright, so I'm about to start listening to some motivational videos. Go on a run right now. I usually go on a run and try to run in the mornings, and then come back home, work out, do some push-ups, some sit-ups, and then by the time it's like 6:15, 6:20, I hop on the charts, look at any news. So I'm about to do that right now. I'm about to go on a run and then come back. Still kind of dark. It's about to be 6 o'clock soon. So I'm about to head back home. Peace and quiet out here in the mornings, man. I don't know why, but I just like looking at that mountain right there. Look at the moon. What's the out here? All right, so right now it's currently 6:20. I just finished working out, and so I'm about to jump on the charts, and I'm gonna show you guys what 2 stocks I trade and the 2 forex pairs that I be observing and just paying attention to, because down the road I plan on buying a prop firm and trade some forex pairs. So I'm gonna show you guys that. And also one thing I've been noticing is sometimes it's like you don't need to trade every day or even place a trade. Not losing money, it also feels as good as like making money. So that's what I'm currently working on. Is if I don't see a setup that I like, I'm just not take a trade, not try not to force anything, because that's one of the main reasons why I've been losing trades. So let's look at the charts. All right, so forex pair, try to pay attention to USD JPY. I like the way this forex pairs moves. It's very volatile, and yesterday was a bullish day, and so you guys see, man, we're very bullish, and so I just been looking at it. I haven't been placing any trades, but like I said, I do plan on buying a prop firm, and once I try to get this down, I'm gonna buy the prop firm account, and hopefully, man, I can try to make some money on there. And the other pair I trade is Euro USD that I pay attention to. So this one, bro, yesterday, so last night, I was like, okay, this is in a downtrend, and I had a feeling we're gonna go back down here. So actually, that would have been a winning trade if I would have took it, but I'm just, right, like I said, right now, I'm just reading the charts and looking out for patterns. You know what I'm saying? Just really trying to understand it. But yeah, so yeah, see, this was a support level last time. We bounced off of it, and we consolidated right here, and then we broke this consolidation. We had a false breakout. These are the ones you guys gotta watch out for, these false breakouts, because that's where you can lose a lot of money, because the market would just, you know what I'm saying, jump back up the other way. But yeah, so we broke out, it came back to this area, bounced back, retested this area, and we consolidated, and that's how I kind of knew that, okay, it's gonna go back down to this area. Now, after it goes down to this area, I have no idea what it's gonna do, so I'm mostly trying to find like anything like a bear flag, bull flag. So all right, so now I'm gonna show y'all the 2 stocks that I trade. All right, so the first stock that I've been trading for a long time is Tesla, and I just like this stock because it's very volatile. You can make your money quick and be done for the day. And so you guys can see, man, we had a big sell-off last week, and so we ended up going to this zone, bouncing back from this zone, and Tesla is currently bullish right now. So I mostly try to trade a few options on Tesla, but if I don't see nothing, if we're just like consolidating, I probably won't take a trade. My computer be slow. yeah, so last week, a few weeks ago, we were just we're in this channel, and then we finally sold off from up here. Man, I should have caught this, man, but I'm still learning how to trade, really. And right now it's 6:24, so right now it's currently 6:24. All right, so before the market opens up, I'm gonna try to look at some Tesla news. Let's refresh the page. Tesla expected to unveil lower cost Model Y, push through reignite sales. Man dies after semi crash into stop Tesla on I-4. Man, somebody's always dying, bro, with some of the news with Tesla. But I've realized, bro, a lot of times the stock will look past that and just explode up, like keep going up. It's crazy. I'd be like, oh, Tesla's about to go down, and then Tesla just goes up. I'm like, that's crazy. Tesla just delivered fantastic news for investors, but there's a catch. So they recently announced their quarterly deliveries, and it was pretty good. And there was a big Tesla rally, and then after that rally, it just crashed. So there's not much today. All these are like a few weeks ago. Like I think it was like last week. But there's nothing like really new. So I think we're gonna pull back a little bit and probably head up higher. And if Tesla gets around this area, you probably see it go back down. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking for like a bullish flag or a pullback to get in, or if I don't see nothing, I'm just gonna not trade. I'm not gonna force any trades. All right, the other stock it used to be in the video, but Meta. I try to just focus on two stocks. So with Meta, man, we're in this big downtrend, and we went as low as here, and then now it pushed back to this area. So we'll see if it continues to go down from here. But yeah, so Meta is just in a downtrend. We'll see if it tries to reverse. But it's 2 more minutes left before the market opens. All right, so Tesla broke this consolidation right here, and it's kind of retesting. So I bought a put here, and I'm only gonna risk like 25 bucks. So we'll see if Tesla continues down, because this candle right here kind of says there's buyers. But yeah, so we'll see what happens. All right, so I bought this area, and then we pulled down a little bit. So but Tesla was showing like it was very bullish, so I just closed my trade for like $32 profit. I'm just walk away for today with that 32, because yeah, so I feel like it's just gonna consolidate in this area. All right, so Tesla went up. I think this was just a pullback before it starts to head up higher. That's why I actually got out of this play. It's low. I should not even took this play, but I just kind of forced this trade just to get content. I don't know why I did that, but on a regular day, I most likely wouldn't even take this trade, just because I'm thinking that Tesla is going to be in an uptrend, and this is just the pullback. I should probably get in some calls, but right now, bro, I'm just not trying to risk money. All right, so I got an Amazon shift pretty soon at 8 to 12. It's an 8 to 12 shift, 4 hours. I'm gonna try to knock it out in 3 hours. It's $90. and then come back home, probably do one Grubhub order to make $100. Just trying to make $100 a day. At the end of the week, I should be able to make 700. But anything like between 6 and 700 is my goal. And usually try to work about 4 hours to 5 hours a day. Alright guys, I just got to the Amazon warehouse. I'm about to go see how many packages I get and try to get done before 11, around 11 o'clock, because that's when it starts to get hot. And I'm really trying to finish before, you know what I'm saying, it gets hotter out here, because it's still kind of cold in the mornings, but later on it starts to get really hot, so I'm trying to finish it up fast. Alright, so I'm waiting for my order to get ready and then go get my cart, and then hopefully I get less than 30 packages, but you never know, man. I might get 40. Recently I've been getting 40 packages, but I'm gonna try to run as many as I can, and it's definitely gonna start getting hot, so I'm gonna take this jacket off and just, you know what I'm saying, try to finish early, and then head home and then eat. I haven't even ate yet, but I usually eat like around 11 o'clock. I don't really eat breakfast. Yeah, so I mean, sometimes I do, it just depends. Like, this was a morning shift and I'm not even hungry yet, but if I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat something. All right guys, so I got 44 packages, 44 stops. It's not too far though, so I should be able to get this done quick. Probably gonna run most of them. All right, so I'm on my last package now, package 45. I thought I had 44, but I have 45 packages, so it's gonna be my last one. Then when I go home, probably get some Panda. Let's go, easy shit. All right, so I finally finished up. Now I'm gonna head home. Yo, I finished way earlier than I thought. So I started at 8 o'clock, finished at 10:30. So I made $90 in 2 hours and a half. It's about like 40 some, but yeah, like that's really nice. So now I'm gonna head home and eat and chill and look at the stock market. I was looking at Tesla too. I seen it drop. I was like, wow. Actually, my bias was right the first time. So I ended up getting Panda Express, chow mein with double orange chicken. Also ended up getting teriyaki on the side. So I'm about to head to the crib and finish this up. Alright guys, so I just got back home and I'm looking at the Tesla chart right now. So I ended up being that pullback right here. We had this pullback and looks like Tesla might continue going up. So after this candle, man, it would have been a good little scalp, but I wasn't here. I was doing my Amazon shift, but we'll see if we can catch a play sometime this week. I'm not gonna force any plays, but yeah, so we went up, we pulled back, lower low. We'll see if we make a new higher high, and then see if we pull back to this area. And the market's about to close soon. It's already about to be 12. So right now, this is all gonna be dead. We're not gonna get much movement. Let's look what happened to Meta. Alright, so Meta just didn't really go nowhere. just consolidated, but it looks like it is trying to continue its downtrend. Let's look at some of my forex. All right, so USD/JP very bullish. You might get a pullback or so, but it's definitely very bullish. That means Euro probably continue down, but yeah, so Euro is probably gonna consolidate at this support level right here. And let's draw. All right, so I'm gonna be looking for like a consolidation and then a break, like something like this. As guys can see right here, consolidated and then we broke down. This is the type of plays that I'm looking for. Or right here, we consolidated right here. We made this triangle pattern and then we broke up. So just gonna be I'm just keep my eye on any kind of triangle pattern or a bearish flag pattern or a bullish flag pattern. Those are the type of patterns that I'm trying to trade. But I'm noticing, man, they happen rarely, so I have to just be patient. And when I see right now I'm just practicing like trading A+ setups only and working on my patience. Yeah, so don't want to rush any plays. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what happens next. You guys hit that subscribe button. All right, so I just woke up from a nap and checked on Tesla. It looked like it was continuing to go down. So I'm gonna look at the chart one more time. And the market just closed. So I'm about to turn on some Grubhub and do at least 1 or 2 orders and try to make $100 for today. So early in the morning, I had bought 2 puts and I closed it because I thought Tesla was showing like bullish signs. But yeah, I did not want to risk too much money. So I walked away for today with $33 in profit, which is not much, but I am trying not to lose money. So let's look at the charts and see what happened. All right, so this is a 30-minute chart. So as you guys can see, we're like consolidating. On this morning, Tesla was like just playing around in this area, and that's where I bought my put, was like right here. And the reason why I bought it was because I saw it break this channel right here. So I saw this break right here, and I honestly should have just left it, but like I said, like I'm just not trying to lose money right now. So hopefully soon, when I get comfortable like with taking a risk in the markets, then I'll be able to just see what happens. But yeah, that's the reason why I got into this put. But it pushed down just a little bit and I just closed it. And so we had went all the way down to 436, and then this was showing like bullish sign right here, this candle right here. And then we went back up. We never even we went back to around that same area and then sold off from that area again. And now Tesla is doing a downtrend in the 30 minutes. So we'll see if we'll get down to this area right here, which Tesla had bounced off of last time. So I'm gonna be looking for buys around this area. If it shows me like a strong bullish green bar, I'll probably place a buy. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wait to see if Tesla goes down to this area or if it just consolidates around here. We'll see what happens. But you guys hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.